In this lecture, I would like to show you how you can elevate the design and animation of any kind of presentation, any kind of topic with such a beautiful morph transition. I'll teach you everything from start to finish. This is the font that I've used for this presentation, the colors and their respective hex codes. This is also the background color that I've used. I will share this template file. If you want to use my file, you can screenshot that and apply this to your presentations. Now, let us start the work. I've selected two pictures. You can go to Insert, Shapes, select a rectangle, and make a rectangle. Make 6 of them. 1, 2, okay, let me also select Shape Outline, no outline for them. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now I know that if I press Ctrl G to group them, I extend them to the entire slide and press Shift Ctrl G to ungroup them. Now I know that 3.18 centimeters divides the slide perfectly by 6. All right, let me apply the same value, 3.18, to make perfect squares. Beautiful. Now let me delete them. This will be quicker. I'll take the first one. I'll press Ctrl D. I'll place it perfectly next to it. Go to Shape Format, Shape Fill, and I'll select my second color. Now press Ctrl D again and select my third color. In my case, this is the red one. Now I'll take all 3 of them, press Ctrl D, put them precisely under those, and now I know if I press Ctrl D, 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 I will perfectly cover the slide. Now let's go for the design. You can do something simple. You just delete several of those objects. You can freestyle here, whatever you like. Okay, I want something like that. This deleted, this deleted. I think there's too much purple here. Okay, beautiful. The design is done. This gives you the entire design of the slide. If you don't like it, you can move it around. Or, for example, you can select some of them and press Send to Back. This way, it will appear behind his head because I've cut out this picture with the picture format, remove background feature directly here in PowerPoint. Okay, I'll keep the changes. I think I like the design. There is only adding the content here and we can continue. All right, let me take the content. I'll save time by just copying and pasting because I believe you know how to add text into PowerPoint. I've selected the Ubuntu heading. This is with the Ubuntu Light font for the main area. And here I inserted an arrow with another square. Beautiful. Now for the next slide, I want to take those objects, Ctrl C and Ctrl V them across this guy. I want to make them smaller, so I will start resizing them. I'll press my Shift key, so they are like that, and beautiful. Now it's a matter of repositioning. Not everything needs to be as big as here. I can have them a little smaller. If I would go to Transitions, and I would click on Morph, currently this would happen. All right, but that's not the entire design that we want. You want to put those maybe next to each other, some of them send to back, some of them put them to the back so they are behind this guy. This here, this may be sent to back as well. This a little closer to his head. I prefer if they are behind him. Okay, now it's difficult to hit. Okay, and I think the design for this slide is done. Maybe this one here and this one here. Beautiful. I'll copy another text because this is the content I've prepared for the second slide. And this looks so much better than just a simple picture on the slide. Beautiful. Now, if you would click on Morph now, do you know what happens? The object will fly in, but the guy doesn't fly in. I think it's a bit too boring, so I'll take this guy, Ctrl C, and I'll bring him to the previous slide. I'll press Ctrl V, and I'll put him to the side. If you want to be more fancy, you can make him smaller. This way, when you hit Morph on this slide, he will get bigger and grow towards his place. Morph. Okay, beautiful. For this guy as well, I want to Ctrl C him, Ctrl V them to this slide, and just put him away to the side. This way, he will disappear to the right side and the objects will fly across the screen. I will not touch the text because I want the text to be fading off and fading in here. Let's preview my result. With this simple trick, you can elevate your PowerPoint designs to look a lot better than just adding a picture and some text. Please do like the video and subscribe. This helps me a lot on the channel. Thank you so much for listening and see you in the next tutorial.